Title: Blame It on the Bot. Attorney duo plead trickery by AI chatbot as legal leverage turns fictitious. TLDR. In a Manhattan federal court, two lawyers are waiting to hear if they'll be sanctioned for citing non-existent case law in a lawsuit against an airline. They claim that ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence chatbot, tricked them into using these legal references. The incident leaves us all with the question, as AI gets smarter, are we getting dumber? Or is this just a case of old dogs struggling to understand new tricks? Here's a riddle for ya. What do you get when you cross a lawyer, an AI chatbot, and a fictitious case? Answer: a whole lot of legal gibberish and two very red faces. This is the actual scene that unfolded in a Manhattan federal court recently, where attorneys Stephen A. Schwartz and Peter Lo Duca are now facing potential sanctions for their bot-infused blunder. So, how did our hapless heroes get into this hilarious yet horrifying situation? They were seeking legal precedents to bolster their client's case against the Colombian airline, Avianca. And where did they turn to for assistance? To ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that's capable of producing impressively detailed, essay-like responses to user prompts. What Schwartz and Lo Duca didn't realize, though, is that ChatGPT is more of a storyteller than a legal scholar. Its creative juices can often flow into the realm of fiction, hence the references to non-existent case laws that popped up in their lawsuit. Yikes. But are our lawyer duo really the villains here, or is it simply that the lines between fact and AI-generated fiction have become too blurry? Schwartz admitted he was under the impression that ChatGPT was sourcing cases from a place he couldn't reach. Turns out, that place was the AI's imagination. I mean, can we really blame them? This is, after all, an AI chatbot that has stunned the world with its capabilities. But this incident does give us food for thought. Should we be more wary about the risks of such advanced AI technology, as hundreds of industry leaders suggested in a letter last month? Or, are we on the verge of witnessing some real-life Law and Order, AI edition drama unfold? The case also sparked discussions at a recent conference, where attendees were equally baffled and shocked. And it's no wonder. As AI becomes more sophisticated and integrated into our professional lives, we must ensure we're equipped to handle these new technologies. Ronald Minkoff, an attorney for the law firm, aptly summed it up. Mr. Schwartz, someone who barely does federal research, chose to use this new technology. He thought he was dealing with a standard search engine. What he was doing was playing with live ammo. So, who's at fault here? The lawyers for not understanding the tool they were using, or the AI for being too good at its job? As Judge Castell prepares to deliver his decision on potential sanctions, we're left with an important question. Should we put safeguards in place to ensure AI can't bamboozle us with its creative prowess? Or should we, like Lo Duca and Schwartz, just apologize when we're tricked by a machine and promise not to do it again?